If you want to track time using the Chrome extension, the first thing you should do is enable web tracking. To do that, go to Settings, then from here go down to Tracking, and then here in the General section, you need to enable browser time tracking. This will allow you to track time using the Chrome extension without activity monitoring or screenshots. Once that's enabled, you can go to the Chrome Web Store and search for WebWork Time Tracker. From here you can go ahead and click on it, then press Add to Chrome. Now as you can see, once you click on the extension, you can start tracking time. From here you can go ahead and press the Start button to start tracking your time. From here you can also select the project, task, and write your activity description, see how much time you tracked this week, and the weekly limit. Then in the top right corner, you can go ahead and click here to access the dashboard, reports, or customer support. Keep in mind that tracking using the WebTrack and Chrome extension will not track screenshots, activity, and app and websites.